What's up, everybody? Welcome back to our channel.
Hello.
Looks like we're doing something fun today, right? What's back there? We're gonna go ride some dirt bikes. It's gonna be fun. Lige has a brand new 2020 CRF somewhere over here hidden. And he's gonna go rip it up today, aren't you?
Yeah.
He's got his first race in a week and a half for the season. So we're excited, right? I think there's something on the porch for you. I think a package.
Uh-oh.
What is it?
Uh-oh.
Where's he going? What's on the porch? Something got delivered. What is that? What is it? Show me. Just show me the box. Whoa, should we go open it?
Yeah.
Okay, let's go open it.
I'm gonna open it up here.
Let's go open it down there.
Okay.
Look, there they are. What do you think it is?
Probably just glass.
Just glass?
I ordered something.
Let's go see.
Hi.
All right, let me grab the tool. Let's grab these.
Yeah.
All right, let's go open it.
Yeah.
Let's see. We'll let Mom open it. It says to Elijah. Wonder what is it? Oh, watch out! You can get your nose cut.
Cut off. So I can't breathe. Open it. Hold on 1 second. Hey, open it up.
What's in there? What is that? Some new dirt bike stuff? Oh, what is that, New Jersey? What brand? 7? What else is in the box? That's pretty sick.
Yeah.
Oh, some new pants. Ooh, and some new goggles to match your bike. That's sick. You're gonna look good. You like that?
Yeah.
All right, let's see a dance move. Oh. In the comments, name that move. It's an emote from Fortnite.
Name it. Do it one more time, Liz.
All right, let's go to the track. Remember to subscribe and like to see more of this.
Yeah.
Here we
and
go.
Hit the like button and hit the notification bell.
All right, let's go to the track. Boom. All right, we're here.
Yeah, this is my brand
This is
new
Elijah's
bike.
new bike. Just kidding. Getting it out. We're at the Jordan River Racetrack. There's the track Elijah will go on.
Yeah. Guess what? In the comments, what dirt bike you have?
Yeah, in the comments, tell us what dirt bike you have or dirt bike you want. All right, should we get suited up?
Yeah.
right,
and
let's do
let's
it.
see what you have.
Let's do it. All right, he's all suited up. Look at that sick New Jersey and pants. Look at those goggles. And his brand new 2020 CRF. That's sick. You ready to go rip it? Yeah.
Hit the like button and the notification bell. And
Yeah, it's hard to hear, but he's saying hit the like button if you like his new bike. Oh. All right, let's go rip it. You gonna go rip out there on that track? You got this, huh? Look, his bike got even his name on it. Super sick. He wanted number 100. Look how sick he looks. Look at him flying. Killing it. Woo! All right, so Elijah's running some Fox Youth goggles with the Fox Checks protector. He's got the 7 jersey and pants. O'Neill gloves, and running the Fox Moto boots, the Comp series. And then also running the Alpine Stars neck support as well. Here's my bike, 2017 KX250F. Super fun to ride, but not as fun as this one, that's for sure. Look at this little motocross racer. Yeah! Did you go racing? Yeah! I like your bike. We need to get a motor on that, huh? Oh, she's going up the ramp. Oh! Good job, Eden.
Got an Eden. All right, we're gonna go for a little ride. Eden, you excited?
Here we go. Thanks for watching, guys. We had so much fun. Liza was killing it. Same with Eden, she was killing it. It's time for us to go, but now we got to figure out how to get in our car because Eden locked the keys in the truck. What are we gonna do? Well, thanks for watching. Remember to subscribe.
Like button and hit the notification bell and subscribe.
Yep, hit the like button, subscribe.
Bye.
See ya.
Woo!
The keys are locked in the truck, so we had to hire someone to come open it for us. That's pretty cool, huh? Eden's like, oh, I guess.
Okay.
And the track is closed now. Oh, woohoo!
So easy.
Save the day.